I'm coming to you from MiEN's showroom to introduce you to the ACE Table series. Schools across America are looking to create spaces that promote hands-on exploration, making, and building. With ACE being available in 3 different heights and multiple sizes, it's the perfect solution for that need. Working with our dealers, MiEN's design team has programmed ACE into numerous learner-centered environments. Let's go have a listen to Marissa as she shares some stories with us on where ACE fits into her designs.
I use the ACE table in maker spaces, art rooms, STEM labs. It pairs great with the edge table because it comes in the same finishes, the same frame colors, so they look great together. The ACE table comes in varying heights, which I like to put in designs because it keeps the space interesting. Customers like it because there are a lot of color options that it comes in, and they can pick any laminate to pair with the color. Customers also like the bench seat that pairs with the desk height table because it matches and it looks really great together. I personally like using the ACE table in media centers because it comes in a coffee table height, and that's great for an accent piece in media centers because the color of the frame matches great with our soft seating and our chameleon pieces.
Thank you, Marissa, for sharing some stories on where you've been programming ACE into your designs. Let's head on over to the website next and take a look at the ACE table on MiENcompany.com. As you can see here on the landing page, you can scroll down to a very robust description. There's also a couple tabs there for different options and additional spec. And there's also the download tab where you have access to not only the cut sheet, but also assembly instructions. If you have any additional questions, up above, just click Request More Information, submit your question, and within 24 hours, we look forward to responding to you. Thank you again for this opportunity to introduce you to the ACE Table series.